Your planer's feed rollers are driven by a chain and sprockets. The gearbox has an output shaft with one sprocket. Each of the feed rollers also have a sprocket. A chain links the sprockets together and drives the rollers. Over time, the sprockets can wear, causing the chain to skip. Replacing the feed roller sprocket is a repair that you could do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side covers from the planer. Now I can remove the support bracket. Now remove the chain tensioner. Now remove the chain. I've located the master link, and I'll go ahead and remove it. I'll use the pliers to remove the clip. Then I can pull the outer link off, and the master link itself. With the master link removed, now I can remove the chain. Now I can remove the sprocket. I'll keep the sprocket from rotating with a pair of needle nose pliers, and then use an Allen wrench to remove the screw. Now I can install the new sprocket. I place it over the shaft, and I'll re-secure it with the washer and the screw. Now I'll reinstall the chain. I'll work the chain around the sprockets, and I want to try to make sure as I do this that the master link ends up in a convenient place to reinstall it, such as here at the bottom. I'll place the master link through the chain, and then lock the link in place with the clip. Now I can reinstall the chain tensioner. To install it, I'll take the straight leg of the tensioner and align it with this bracket on the casting. Then I'll take the screw with the washers and the spacer, place it through the tensioner, and begin to thread it into the housing. At this point, I'll leave it loose. Then I can grab the J portion of the tensioner and pull it down behind the chain. Like that. And now with the screwdriver, I'll go ahead and tighten the screw that secures the tensioner. Now I'll reinstall the support bracket. Now I can replace the side covers. And that's how easy it is to install a new sprocket on your planer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.